Okay, my name is Rohan, and today we're going to teach you how to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials. So here we have x squared. This represents the x, and this represents the power, and this represents the coefficient of x. So the equation's x squared plus 3x plus x squared plus 2x. So x squared and x squared only go together. They can't go with the 2x and the 3x because they have a power of 2. So x squared plus x squared is going to be 2x squared, and then 3x plus 2x is going to be 5x. That's how to add polynomials.
Alright, so for the second section, we're going to be learning how to subtract polynomials. And so our equation is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 minus x squared minus 2x. In order to solve this, the first thing we have to do is we have to distribute the negative onto the second polynomial. So right now, it is x squared minus 2x. When we distribute the negative, it becomes negative x squared plus 2x. And so when we combine these, it becomes, the 2x squared is subtracted by the x squared, so it becomes x squared. The 5x gets 2x added to it, and so it becomes 7x. And then the negative 3 is unaffected by the second polynomial, and so it stays as negative 3.
For the last section of this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply polynomials. So the equation we're going to use is 2x squared plus x times 2x squared plus 2x. So the first thing you can notice about this equation is that it doesn't have a addition or subtraction sign between the parentheses. So that would indicate that it's a multiplication. So the method we're going to use is FOIL. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 2x squared with 2x to the 2x squared. Where's the other? Okay, and then I'm going to multiply 2x squared with 2x, and then I'm going to do the same thing with x. So after I did all that, it'll equal 4x to the power of 4 because the powers add, and then it'd be 4x to the power of 3, 2x to the power of 3, plus 2x to the power of 2. And then after that, you can notice that there's no parentheses, so you just add them, and it'll be 4x to the power of 4, 6x to the power of 3, plus 2x to the power of 2, and that's the ending. So a real-world example is this question. There are x squared plus 4x amount of people in Clark, and 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 people in Vines. How many people are in the schools combined? So as you can see, it says combined, so it's an addition problem. So you're going to write it like this. X squared plus 4x plus parentheses 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Next step is we're going to take out the parentheses. So it's x squared plus 4x plus 2x squared plus 3x. While you write that down, you can see that x squared and x squared both have the power of 2, and 4x and 3x have the power of 1, and 5 is left alone. So you won't do anything to the 5. Next, we're going to do x squared plus 4x. Plus 2x squared. So x squared plus 2x squared is going to be 3x squared. And then 4x plus 3x is going to be 7x. And now we're going to keep these separated because they're not the same. And then 3x squared plus 7x minus 5. That's going to be our ending, because this is the most simplified